The British Army has just achieved a major milestone in modern warfare. For the first time, a laser weapon system has been deployed on an armored vehicle, marking the operational use of this advanced technology in the field. The high-energy laser HEL demonstrator, developed by Defence Equipment and Support, the Defence Science and Technology Laboratory, and Raytheon UK, was successfully tested in October 2024 at Radnor Range in Wales. Mounted on a Wolfhound armored vehicle, the laser system was put to the test as soldiers from the 16th Royal Artillery Regiment tracked and destroyed a series of drones in flight. This demonstration showed how the HEL system can effectively neutralize unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, in real-world conditions, a significant step in countering the growing threat of drones. The test was part of Project Swinton, a program aimed at developing directed energy weapons, or DWs, to protect military assets from drones and other aerial threats. Drones have become an increasingly dominant force on the battlefield, providing low-cost, highly effective reconnaissance and strike capabilities. This has created a need for cost-efficient solutions to counter fast-moving, low-cost threats like drones. Directed energy weapons, which can destroy targets with a much lower cost per shot than traditional munitions, have emerged as a promising response. The HEL system works by directing a powerful infrared laser beam at its target, using advanced sensors and tracking technology to ensure accuracy. While details on how long the laser needs to stay on a target before it's destroyed remain classified, this technology offers a precision strike capability against drones that could revolutionize modern defense strategies. The development of this technology has become even more critical with the increasing use of drones in global conflicts, particularly in Ukraine. Ukrainian forces have deployed over 1.2 million drones in the past year, and the number is set to grow. As drones become more common, cost-effective defense solutions like laser systems are vital for protecting troops and assets on the ground. Stephen Waller, Directed Energy Weapons Team Leader at DNS, highlighted the importance of these innovations, stating, "The world has changed, and we are seeing more drones in the battlespace. This requires a more cost-effective solution to protect our troops." This successful test is a clear signal that the British Army is committed to staying ahead of emerging threats. With directed energy weapons integrated into armored vehicles like the Wolfhound, the Army is preparing for a future where advanced technologies and active defense systems will be critical to success on the battlefield. The tests at Radnor Range are just one part of a larger program aimed at refining and deploying these systems in real combat scenarios. As the proliferation of drones continues to reshape warfare, systems like the HEL could provide a decisive advantage, ensuring that armies are equipped to deal with these new, fast-evolving threats. The British Army's success with this laser weapon system marks the beginning of a new era in defense technology, one that could change the way wars are fought in the years to come.